Prabhupada explained that when he arrived there, he told the people. They asked him, Swamiji, why you have come? Why you have come from India? It's a poor country, so on and so forth. Why you have come? He said, I have come to save you from a cat and dog's life. A cat and dog's life? How was that? He says, well, cat is eating, you are eating. Cat is sleeping, you are sleeping. Cat is having sex, you're having sex. Cat and dog is fighting, you are having your war machinery. Where's the difference? And they laughed. They liked that very much. He said, yeah, there's no difference. He said, yeah, there is a difference. So I've come to save you from that by giving you actual knowledge. They have a good sense of humor in Australia. The Prabhupada, he was uncompromising. And actually he simply wanted people to become fearless. To actually make people fearless. To make them free from the anxiety.